kawan-kawan, nama saya Subashini dan kami adalah pelajar tingkatan 5 SPM 2013 dari Pusat Tuition Akan. Kami ingin berkongsi tentang pengalaman kami menghadiri EVE program di Pusat Tuition Akan. Sila izinkan saya bertutur dalam bahasa Inggeris. Once again, good evening all friends. So we are here to talk about the English paper, and this is our SPM English question paper. This is paper 1. We don't have paper 2 unfortunately, so sorry it had to be corrected. And these are some of the highlighted questions which Miss Nisha spoke about during the EVE program. So I'm going to call some of my friends to share our experience with you. And Loj, could you please tell us about directed writing?
During EVE program, Teacher Nisha spotted right on the formal letter, and she said a letter of complaint to the government such as town council, and exactly the same thing came out for the exam. So,
most people didn't expect the formal letter to come out, but Miss Nisha was smart and she told us that it would come out. And even the question was about the recreational park that was very poorly maintained. And in our notes here, she gave us points. Let me show you on environment, and we could use all these idioms and proverbs, and they tied very well with our composition. Now, Sophia, could you please tell us about continuous writing?
Yeah, the first question which came out was about being truly Malaysian and what it means to you. And it's like so cool how Miss Nisha discussed this question with us the day before. So all of us who could answer were like really prepared. And she also touched on the reality shows, which is the 5th question that came out. She discussed with us about the entertainment and reality shows, and she actually gave us points. So all of us who answered the 5th question could have ideas on how to write the points.
Miss Nisha also gave us this intro that is here, and idioms and proverbs for this as well. Most of our friends wrote about what it means to be truly Malaysian, and it was not only a personal composition, but it was also a very meaningful thing. Above and beyond everything, we had the points, so it was very easy for most of us. Now, can I have Fuad to talk to us about the novel that came out, The Step by Wicked Step?
Ya, dalam novel Step by Wicked Step, Teacher Nisha telah meramal characters, decision making and conflict that happen eventually, dan ianya tepat keluar.
Miss Nisha gave us notes on Step by Wicked Step. It's in the earlier part of the book. There were notes in detail about each character's life and how their decision affected the lives of other characters. Miss Nisha also told us, because all of us study Step by Wicked Step, she told us to focus more on Richard's and Claudia's story because their decision had a major impact on other people's lives. Now can I have Faizul to talk about poem?
Okay, dalam literature component ni, Teacher Nisha dia suruh kita tekankan pasal he had such quiet eyes. So benda ni 100% tepat keluar dalam SPM 2013.
During the EVE program, Miss Nisha actually went through line by line each and every part of the poem, and she even told us how to quote and how to link the questions to the poem. It was very helpful for us because most of us had done it, but we forgot since it's a Form 4 poem, and we have truly benefited from the EVE program that is held here at Akan, so we hope that you do too. All the best.
Okay, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. You just have heard from our students who have attended for the EVE program, and they have truly benefited. In fact, just to inform you all, ladies and gentlemen, this was the booklet that was handed out or was given to, thank you, this was the booklet that was given to our students. There you go. And this booklet merely is approximately about 15 to 20 pages only. So, in these 15 to 20 pages, our teacher, Teacher Nisha, our excellent English teacher, has already narrowed down all the important topics for the directed writing. Plus, she has also highlighted on the novel as well as the poem part, as what our students have said. So, short points were already given for the essay, and our students just used these points to elaborate and to expand on their essay writing. In fact, out of the 5 topics for essay, 3 of it was already discussed, and 3 of the topics were in this book, and our students just have to use the points and to answer them. That is how accurate our spotting at Pusat Tuition Akan. Friends and students, you can benefit from our program. This is our PMR exam tips. We also have SPM, we also have UPSR. inside these exam tips, we already have subject by subject, alright, and all those probable questions together with the example answer already included, as well as with notes. This we have already given for all subjects: BM, English, Maths, Sejarah, Science, Perdagangan, Economy, Physics, Chemistry, Admaths, Bio, or SPM. But for UPSR, all the UPSR subject, and PMR, all the PMR subject. So what we do is we send directly to your doorstep, and you could actually benefit from this booklet. Now, those who stay around in PJ Old Town area, you can come and attend for our e-program. Now, quickly, you must come and join our tuition program in order for you to be eligible to join our e-program, because only those students who have studied with us minimum of 8 months in Pusat Tuition Rakan are entitled to join our e-program. Our e-program is a fantastic program where none of you should miss. Please call us or go to our website to know more about our programs. Our website address will be www.rakan.edu.my, or call us at 012-680-5900, or please go to our Facebook. You can add us actually as your Facebook friend. Our Facebook ID will be Pusat Tuition TUISYEN Rakan. Alright, so let's together better our exam results. We are ready to guide you, help you, coach you. Are you ready to be assisted? So please contact us. All the best. Good luck for your examination preparation. Bye, Malaysia.